Hari bahagia dalam hidupku, berjalan bersamamu, Yesus Tuhanku. Today I will walk with my hand in God. Today I will trust in Him and not be afraid, for He will be there, for He will be there every moment to save on this wonderful day He has made. Well, I'm dedicated for you. I know you can see and hear what I upload now. I wish you have